What is up, Buck? I'm Doug with D&E in the Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to install these plastic rivets that they put Wranglers together with these days without the rivet tool, with some stuff you already have lying around the house. So find the hole you need to fill and grab one of the plastic rivets. I'll tell you where you can find them at the end of the video. Slide it in the hole, make sure you hit both sides, both the flare and the inner fender. Then grab you a box wrench. I'm using a 5/16. You can use whatever you like. 10 would probably work okay. Grab a pliers that have a curved back, latch them on, and just give her hell. Pull it, and you'll feel where it wants to stop. Grab a utility blade. If you're not on these serrated blades yet, get on them. And there you go. Stellantis couldn't have put it on better than that. Yes, they make Rivet Tools. Yes, you should already own one. Yes, I do already own one. These 1/4-inch rivets didn't fit in the 1/4-inch die. I assume that's a problem over in Guangdong or something. I don't know, but thankfully there's a very easy way to do it. Now, where do you get these rivets? You can spend an arm and a leg at the dealership, but I got a pack of 30 for like $7, and as you see, they work just fine. So I can take this inner fender off a bunch of times before I run out. And just for y'all's edification, we will go ahead and rip one now so you can see what's going on. When you support the rivet with the wrench and then you pull on it with these pliers like this, that's what's happening on the inside. All right, and you want to get it nice and tight so that it's as far up against the backer as you can get. So keep giving her hell. You can see there's some ribs down here, so if it's not locking in place, you haven't gotten it close enough to the ribs yet. And that's all there is to it. This is probably my shortest video on record. I will leave a link down below to where you can get these rivets. They work for all Wranglers from when they start the JK. Is that 09 or 08? Doesn't matter, but JK, JKU, JL, JLU, probably the GT. I'm sure there's a couple of these floating around on Grand Cherokees and new Cherokees and God knows what else, because why not put everything together with plastic, right? Thanks so much for watching. Leave me a comment down there in the squawk boxes if you have a different way of doing these plastic rivets. I'd love to try that next time. Otherwise, check out the link, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching this probably sub 5-minute video. Oh, can't wait to see you on the next one. Thanks.